Hi, this is Donna Zalter, Compass real estate agent from South Florida. I haven't been on video for a bit. I had a really busy selling season, but I'm back, whether you like it or not. Anyway, today's discussion is going to be about Florida spring cleaning. We have certain things that are particular to our region, and I think it's very important that we understand how homes in Florida are somewhat different than homes in the Northeast. So hey everyone, spring is right around the corner here in Florida, and while the rest of the country is still thawing out, our spring has started, and so our spring cleaning season starts early. If you're a homeowner, especially if you're thinking about selling this time of year, this is a perfect time to get your home in top shape before the humidity, the pollen, and the summer storms roll in. Today I'm walking you through a Florida-focused spring cleaning checklist that goes way beyond dusting and decluttering. These are the tasks that protect your home, boost curb appeal, and make a huge difference in how your property looks and feels. Why does spring cleaning matter more in Florida? Well, you've probably heard the phrase, Florida is different. And when it comes to home maintenance, that couldn't be more true. Our climate is beautiful, but it's also tough on homes. We deal with year-round sun exposure, salt air near the coast, high humidity, mold growth, fast-growing landscaping, and of course, the rainy season that starts building in late spring. So spring cleaning here isn't just about tidying up. It's about getting ahead of the elements before they get ahead of you. And if you're planning to sell this year, starting early means your home will look its absolute best when buyers are most active. Let's start with exterior cleaning, because Florida homes take a beating. Pressure washing is a non-negotiable. Our humidity and shade create the perfect environment for mildew and algae. Driveways, walkways, lanais, pool decks, and even the roof can start looking green or black if they're not cleaned regularly. Clean your gutters and your downspouts. Even if you don't have big trees, pollen and debris build up fast in spring. Clear gutters help prevent roof leaks once the heavy rains start. And don't forget to wash your windows inside and out. Florida sunshine is your home's best friend, but only if it can get in. Clean windows make a huge difference in how bright and inviting your home feels. Check your screens and lanai enclosure. Tears, sagging panels, and rusted hardware are common after winter winds. Fixing them now keep bugs out and make your outdoor space look polished. Let's talk landscaping. Florida landscaping grows fast and sometimes too fast. Spring is the perfect time to reset everything. Trim the palms, trim the hedges, overgrown shrubs, refresh the mulch, pull the weeds on the edge of the lawn, but also around the pool, clean up around the AC units so they can breathe. Add fresh, heat-tolerant plants like hibiscus, pintas, crotons, and don't forget the front entry. A clean doormat, a fresh coat of paint on the front door, and an updated lighting can completely transform your curb appeal. Now, let's head inside. Starting with decluttering, Florida homes often have limited storage, so clearing out closets, cabinets, and garage space instantly makes your home feel bigger. And deep clean your tile grout. Most Florida homes have tile, and grout lines can darken quickly in humid climates. Bright, clean grout makes floors look brand new. Check for moisture. Look under the sinks, behind the toilets, under the windows, and near the water heater. Florida humidity can hide slow leaks that turn into mold if ignored. Clean ceiling fans and vents. They collect dust so quickly, especially here where there's constantly new construction and we're breathing everyone else's construction dust. Now, probably the most important thing is the AC. It's huge in Florida because your AC works harder here than almost everywhere or anywhere else in the country. Spring is the perfect time to schedule a full HVAC service, replace filters, clean return vents, check for mold or mildew in the air handler, clean the drain line. A clogged line is one of the most common causes of AC leaks in Florida. A well-maintained system helps your home cool, reduces energy bills, and is a major selling point for buyers. If you're planning to sell this spring or summer, early prep is everything. This is the time to touch up interior and exterior paint, replace outdated hardware, fix loose doorknobs, squeaky hinges, and sticky sliders. Check the caulking around the tubs, showers, and windows. Make sure all lights and fans work properly. Florida buyers notice when a home feels well maintained, and they notice even more when it doesn't. Final touches for a fresh Florida bright home. Once the deep cleaning is done, those finishing touches make your home feel light, airy, and ready for spring. Swap heavy bedding for lighter fabrics. Fill your home with tropical plants. Keep blinds open to let in that beautiful natural light. Create an inviting outdoor seating area that celebrates the season of summer. Change those throw pillows. You know, that's just common sense, and that's what we should be doing everywhere. Prepping your home early will reduce your anxiety when you're actually ready to sell. Prioritize these tasks. They are your biggest return. They are the things that are going to get your home sold before someone else. Those are the things that are going to get your home sold before someone else's. I know it seems really small, but just those little touches in prepping the home goes so far in getting you closer to the price you want for the home that you love. I hope this all helps. I hope you guys have a wonderful spring cleaning. I'm also affiliated with another company called All Hung Up Hangers. So if you are reorganizing your closet, you can find me there as well with my closet company, or my hanger company, I mean. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Donna Zalter with Compass.